Why would a trial attorney who wins a verdict in their favor want to talk to the jurors afterwards? You want to know the answer? Come join me for a moment as I share with you some great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law in the state of New York. There are some attorneys who say, you know what, if I win the case, I'm out of the courthouse. I don't want to know anything. The really smart attorneys are ones who stick around and try and speak to the jurors afterwards. Now, there's no obligation by the juror to stick around and talk to the attorneys, but you will find that the best attorneys tend to stick around and they want to talk to the jury. They want to learn what was going on during jury deliberation. They want to learn what questions they had. What were the issues that came up? What were the disagreements? Who was thinking about different things? Because as an attorney, we try and read a jury. We try and read what's going on during the course of trial. And during the course of trial, we cannot communicate with the jury at all. So many attorneys try and read the posture, they try and read body language, they try and see what happens during the course of testimony when certain things are admitted into evidence. And now you try and judge the reactions of the jury to get a sense of what the jury is thinking. But it's not until after the case is over, after the verdict has been rendered. And now, you have an opportunity as an attorney to talk to the jurors, those that were willing to stick around and talk with you. Get a sense of what happened. Get a sense of what was going on in the minds of the jury. What were you guys talking about? What was the issue? What did you think was right? What did you think was wrong? What were you struggling with? And why does an attorney do that? We do that to try and understand what happened in this particular case, and we do that to hone our skills so that now, during the next trial, we know what to focus on, or we know what things to avoid. The reality is, we don't know what's going on in the minds of the jury, especially during the course of time that they're deliberating and trying to reach a verdict. So what we try and do is get into their minds, and if we have an opportunity to talk to them, to learn what it was that they were thinking about, now it gives us a bit of an insight to help us understand not just how they decided this case, but maybe it'll help us in future cases as well. So why do I share this great information with you? I share it with you just to give you a look and an insight into what happens when a really good attorney makes a decision to talk to the jury after a verdict. You know, I recognize you've got questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter did happen here in New York and you're contemplating bringing a lawsuit and you've got questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, this is something I do every single day and I'd love to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, G-E-R-R-Y, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.